Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 11 George Street, Apartment 1 in New Bedford, Massachusetts. This is a 3-bedroom, first floor apartment located in the downtown area of New Bedford. Right now, we are in the main living room where you'll enter from the front entrance. As you can see, this room has beautiful hardwood floors, some baseboard heating, as well as plenty of windows for natural lighting in the daytime. Baseboard heaters all across the floor there, keep the apartment warm during the cold season. Next room here is the large, fully tiled kitchen dining room area. And you see we have the gas stove to the left. We have the cabinets and sink straight ahead. This is a very large open layout for this room. Fridge here. You can see the baseboard heaters. All the bedrooms are going to be on the left side of the apartment. Starting with this first bedroom here. We have the closet immediately to the left as you enter. And we have the nice, shiny hardwood floors, baseboard heaters. Heading back out, past this storage closet to the left and the stove, we have the second bedroom. We have the bedroom closet to the right here. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. Walls are in great shape, freshly painted, so no imperfections there. All right. Around the corner, past the bathroom and the sink of the kitchen, is the last bedroom here. This bedroom actually has 2 closets. We have one towards the left here. It has some shelving around the corner too. And then we have another closet that is not only lit, but has separate shelving inside. And the last room would be the bathroom area. Here we have the tub and shower set. As you can see, it has the removable shower head. Have the sink here, the toiletry caddy in the corner, medicine cabinet and mirror. And this property is managed by Nexus Property Management, so you do have benefits such as having an online login where you can contact staff for non-emergency services as well as pay rent online. You'll also be given a 24-hour service line for all your maintenance and emergency repair needs. Again, this is 11 George Street, Apartment 1 in New Bedford, Massachusetts.